This is it, we're removing this. Here we are back at it, part 2 of demolition. Doing exactly what we love to do in 40-degree heat. We're removing all the concrete that we cut up in the last episode. We're also removing all the bricks over and underneath the window in the existing bedroom. We're opening up that wall so we can extend the slab out into the new room that we're going to come off where that bedroom is. We're also going out the front with all the concrete sections that we've cut up. We're going to load them into the bin where the bin guy came to collect early, saying the bin was full, but we've managed to fit at least another probably ton of concrete in there and maximize our savings with that bin that we used. We're also doing a bit of a cleanup. We got that off camera, but we'll show you the end result, and you can let us know what you think in the comments. Hit the bell button because there's going to be plenty more episodes on this build to come. And if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Alright, enjoy. Gotta love a clean site. Thanks again for watching. We really appreciate your love and support on these videos. We have part 3 coming up very soon, so make sure you hit that bell notification to be notified of the new video coming up. And every like, every comment helps us out, so leave what you can. And we'll see you in the next one.